It's the time. All right, then I'm gonna pull up the, like I said, in a wedding. The thing you say in weddings. Ay, no puedo. Espérate, tengo que ponerme otro character porque, like, tiene que ser alguien sophisticated. ¿A quién hacemos? Vamos a hacer a Barbara porque ella es como, siempre está aquí, so. Wait, wedding music. Uh-oh. ¿Por qué Tiffany está caminando así? ¿Por qué tan cerca? Están como que un poquito muy cerca. No sé, se están tomando esto como que un poquito too serious. Y que Kaylee está al frente. No puede ser, no puede ser, no puede ser. No puede ser. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? It may. Freaking accept my stupid request, girl. Thank you. Ball? Keki? Keki, take it as my husband. It's sticker. Como que nickname too long. For better or for worse, for richer, for good, in sickness and health. To love. Okay. Ricky. Okay. Now the husband. Thanks. Do I really want to marry this guy? Actually, I don't. Do I really want to marry this girl? Why are you talking? You're not even... Oh, are you? I do not want to marry this girl. I want to marry Barbara. Okay. Sorry. As an XD, los dos juntos. ¡Mira eso! It's not time to kiss yet. Barbara, stop. Until death do us apart. Now, I declare you wife and husband. You may kiss the bride. Mira, están kissing. Period. I'm so happy for y'all. I hope y'all make like 12 kids.
Astro, no. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like